everybody, welcome back again to Dreamscape. So we're keeping the content rolling. So just a normal day in the life again. We've got a vlog today. We're going to Crail Raceway again for German Invasion this time. So this is one of the biggest days of the year. There's two of these, sponsored by EcoTune, and there's always impressive cars, impressive builds in that here. This is the last one of the year for German Invasion. It's starting to get a bit cold in Scotland now. This is probably the coldest day we've experienced so far. But everybody's ready to go. We're with a convoy of cars right now. A few of the boys that you'll have seen on the channel before. So we're just making our way through to Crail. We're about 40 minutes away right now. So we're going to get through and we'll start capturing videos of some of the best builds that are there. I've got the 45S with me today, but it's got special plans in the next month, so I'm not drag racing it today. I'll just leave that as the final comment about it. And we'll let the content for the car come when it comes. So if you're enjoying everything, just a reminder, always like and subscribe. We're just about to hit 3,000. Hopefully by the time you see this video, 3,000 will have happened, and that's a big milestone for us. Only way is up for there. So yeah, like and subscribe, it really helps us a lot. And just enjoy a day with us at Crail Raceway, covering all the crazy builds that are going to be here, drag racing and drifting today. See you when we get there. Right, we've arrived at Crail now. As you know from the previous videos of this place, it's right at the seaside and it is freezing today, so we've got the hoodies and the jackets and everything on. That is the start of winter, as I said. So I'm over at the toilet area now, but behind me is all the show cars and we've got the drag cars. So this day is sponsored by EcoTune and they've got their Golf Mark 7 with them. And I seen a video of it on the dyno and I think it's about 900 horsepower. That'll be running the day, so we're not going to be short of fast car content. Another wee surprise that we've got is Shug, the boy with the blue Golf R. He's been teasing out things with his car and getting the build ready to go, and it is now running consistent times. So we're going to be getting in and we're going to be getting a camera in his car today, and it is a big power Golf R as well. So let's get our day started here at freezing cold Crail. Hopefully it warms up as the day goes on. So as I mentioned, here's Shug's car. He's always at the front of the queue. He just ran an 11.5 and he wasn't even straight on the line there. It was pretty much drifting a four-wheel drive. Here comes the hooligan. So you'll have seen by now the video of him. So that's one of like the biggest features, I would have said, on the channel. We managed to get that GTR for a full day. So I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you didn't see it, make sure you go back and watch it. It will be one of the last videos on the channel. And that thing was sending it, shooting flames all day. Ethanol burning machine. Right, so Shug was basically sideways up the strip there, and I'm going to try and get a closer video of the launch. An 11 flat, still wheel spinning, so that car's got a 10 in it, 10.6 I think he done before. But it is cold today and greasy, so we'll see how he gets on. But if he gets in the 10s, I'm pretty sure he'll be buzzing, because that's what he's built it for, isn't it? So as I said, German Invasion sponsored by EcoTune. Everybody that's going to be watching this will probably know that, but if you don't, EcoTune are behind us, one of the most famous VAG tuning groups in the UK, and this is their Mark 7 Golf R, and I'm not going to quote exact figures right, but the dyno graph the other day was 900 plus horsepower, and it's got the slicks on it, and I think it's going on the strip. So let's get a few videos of what it currently looks like. It's the most stripped out car that's here, but it'll be on the strip, so hopefully I'll get a video of it sitting here under there under their tent here, and then we'll get a video out on the strip. So that last clip there, I deliberately put the Renegade fuel in it because that's the kind of sauce that makes these cars go fast. So might not be right immediately at this part of the video, but we'll see that when it goes on the strip. I'll make sure I'm front and centre for a video of that. Right, so this BMW that's coming here, this is actually a drift car, as you'll see, but he's about to do a naughty burnout, right? Ready for this? And as you can tell, it's not got a BMW engine in it. He is manhandling that thing down the straight, by the way, but he's got to do a fast time. Watch this, what we got. An 11.8, and he's literally burning his tyres halfway down the strip, do you know what I mean? And it's a drift car. This is like 8V RS3, one of the cleanest ones I've seen, right? This is one of the boys here. He's going to do a right good 5-pot launch for us here. So we've got Gazzy's Mark 7R here, which is the EcoTune build, 600 brake plus, I'm not really sure, and Shug with the Mac Motorsport Turbo Smart build, so I'm going to get a right into a good angle and get the two of them launching, but these two cars are moving. Interesting race. 11.2 and an 11.8. Something happened with Shug's gearbox here as if it like skipped into the next gear too quick, but still two of the fastest golf files here really, innit? Aye, I seen that last time. So the boys are getting access at the front of the queue to go again, so I will capture it. Shug was saying something happened by second and third gear, so hopefully he gets right through the gears this time. 10, 9 and an 11. Well, Shug's in the 10s again today, well done son. Right, we're going to go, so I've just bumped into a guy, Ross Ogilvie, so anybody for the Scottish car scene will know this guy. He's got a red E36, I think it is, that shell, and it's got like a mad crazy engine in it. It's a drift car. He's literally just shouted me for a passenger lap of the drift pan, which is something that I've not done in these Crail videos before, so I'm kind of struggling. I don't want to be filming the same hang up here all the time, but today has just got a wee bit better, so hold tight for that. We're heading across and out, and then I've got a passenger pass booked in with Shug's Golf on the straight, as I said before, so I'm just going to head over because it's a bit of a trek, so we're going to drive over and we'll bump into Ross and get a passenger run on the drift pan. Right, before I go in for my passenger ride, here's Ross Ogilvie, everybody sending it in his BMW. I'll get a few videos for the side, here we go. Tell you what, he knows how to drive, that's for sure. He's actually in the second bit of the tandem, so I think if he was out front, he'd maybe be going a bit harder. overtook him now. I always say the same thing in these videos, right, but the turbo drift cars sound the best. Hunters a limiter banging going on, that's the best part about it. Can't wait to get in the passenger seat of that thing, man, come on. So fresh set of rear tyres going on for the session here. I'll get a couple of videos of the car now where it's sitting. So this is a 2JZ engine with an 8 HP gearbox that's in this, so you'll hear it screaming when we're out in it. So ready to go then, so just how drift cars should be. Wee bit rougher in the edges, but the best engines and the best running gear and the 8 HP gearbox and all that, just everything underneath is perfect. So next clips, we're going in it. Fuck me, lad, don't run, man.
Didn't even feel like going off a gear, fuck off.
Mate, that is so buttery, isn't it, man? Right, I've still got this set to super view here, Jesus Christ. So that was passenger lap in, well, laps at the drift pan for Rosso Ogilvie, so big shouts to him, thank you. So that was a 2JZ powered E36 BMW. Was said it was only running like 450 brake horsepower there at 1 bar, but so buttery smooth with the drifting, man. So heading back over to the drag strip now, see if we can tie in with the rest of the boys and get the passenger passes done. Hopefully nothing bad's happened since we left them, but we'll see. Right, quick update on Chuck's Golf before we get the passenger pass done. We're just in the queue for the drag strip. So 580 brake horsepower, 710 newton meters of torque, still running on pump fuel, and it's in the 10. So it ran a 10.6 on pump fuel the last time he was here, and he's done a 10.9 today, but he's taking passenger passes a day. So I'm going to get in and experience it in its new format, because I was in it beforehand, but it wasn't fully built, wasn't fully finished, but it's all now fully sorted. So we're going to get a full passenger experience in the Golf, and it's now all stickered up with everything that it needs on it. So I'm excited for this, let's go. Right, that was it, ended the video with the passenger pass in Chuck's car. So that was a wee bit different today with the drifting, so I hope you enjoyed that. We're just going to get down the road now. It's 3 o'clock and we've got about an hour and 20 minutes or something down the road, so time for a chilled Sunday night. So thanks for watching. Again, Crail Raceway content, German Invasion, sponsored by EcoTune, always a good one. And always remember, like and subscribe. And I checked already, we've hit 3,000 subscribers since this video's gone out. So thanks to everybody for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.